Most Google Ads advertisers focus on views, budgets, etc. But the real battle is won in the headline. In competitive Google Ads markets, the headline decides whether someone clicks your ad or your competitors. What if a small change in your Google Ads headline could increase CTR by 40% and lower CPC at the same time? And today I will show you the exact headlines formula used in high performing campaigns. So what is formula really does? The formula is simple. The structure is as like keyword plus benefit plus proof. It compresses three layers into in one headline. As like first one is relevance. Why this matches your search. Number two is value, what you gain. Number three is credibility. Why you should trust it. In high competition markets, headline win the click, not descriptions. So why this formula works? Why? It is connected to real Google Ads logic. Google optimized based on expected CTR, then quality score, then CPC conversion rate, and then CPA, then ROS. Okay. So now look at the each component. Keyword improves relevance. Then CTR increase. Benefit improves motivation. Then CVR increase. Proof reduce hesitation. CVR increase plus expected CTR increase. So when CTR increases, then expected CTR improves, quality score increase, also CPC often decreases. And when CVR increases, CPC decreases, scaling becomes possible. So this formula influence both free click and first click performance. Okay, I hope you can understand. Then component breakdown. So step one is keyword. It is as like relevance engine. What? This must reflect core search intent, exact phrasing when possible. Optional modifier as like location or urgency. Example: emergency plumber, refrigerator repair, roof leak repair, dental implants, Google Ads management. Why keywords first? Because user scan left to right. The first three to four keywords determine the relevance. If keyword is buried, CTR drops. The step two is benefit. It is as like motivation driver. This answer, what do I gain? Strong benefits are as a specific, outcome driven, measurable, emotional, or practical. Um, there are some weak benefits as like best service, quality repair, professionality. It's weak benefits. So what is the strong benefits? The strong benefits is are same day service, 30-minute arrival, flat rate pricing, pain-free treatment, no hidden fees, also increased lead sales. Specific benefits outperform generic claims consistently. Okay. So the step three. Step three is proof. It's as like trust multiplier. Proof produce when you when match intent, then you also add some benefit, then proof. Is it true? This matter this matter more in legal, medical, home services, high ticket offers, B2B service. High performing proof types as like 5-star rated, licensed and insured, 15 plus year experience, trusted by 5,000 plus homes, Google certified partner. Numbers dramatically increase credibility. So proof improves CTR, conversion rate, and trust perceptions. Okay. In here, I add real market example. So the example one is emergency plumber, Houston area. Okay. In here, keyword emergency plumber benefit 24/7 same day service and proof license 5-star related. So the headline as like emergency plumber, then 24/7 service, license 5-star rated. So performance pattern, typical real accounts. Our CTR improve 25 to 45%, one of generic. Also, our quality score increase +1 to or +2 points, and also our CPC decrease -8% to 20%. Just a small change. Just a small change. Okay. So in here I also I can turn also some example as like refrigerator repair. Our headline refrigerator repair 30-minute service trusted by 5,000 plus homes. Why it wins? immediate intent match also speed benefit also as like a social proof plus specific numbers. And also example for dental implants. And dental implants pain free recovery 15 plus year experience. Why it works? Keyword aligned emotional benefit also authority proof. Medical industries depend heavily on trust signals. Example Another example for as like roofing. Roof leak repair, same day fix, license and injury. In here, urgency plus safety. And also example for Google as agency. As like Google as management, increase leads, trusted by five 500 plus brands. B2B users respond strongly to outcome and plus school pro. Okay. So in here, responsive success execution strategy. Um, you don't you do not need to fit everything in one 30 character headline. A smart structure inside responses are set headline 1 as like keyword, headline 2 as like benefit, headline 3, 4, 5, and headline 4 secondary and differentiation. Example, a headline 1 represent a repair, headline 2 30 minutes same day service, headline 3 5-star weighted techniques, and headline 4 flat rate pricing. Let Google miss combinations while keeping a structure strong. So what is a character limit reality? Good headline limit 30 characters. Many full keyword as like keyword plus benefit plus proof lines will execute within 30 characters. So either compress repository repair 30-minute service 5-star rated or split across headlines in responsive subset and sellable accounts optimize layout based on character testing. So in your testing hierarchy, performance level, test the variation as like keyword plus benefit, keyword plus proof, keyword plus benefit plus proof, and also benefit plus proof without keyword in headline 2 or 3. Then measure CTR conversion rate, CPA, impression share, also assist performance rating in RSA. Sometimes keyword plus benefit performs better than adding proof. Sometimes keyword plus proof performs better. So never assume, always test because it all about test. Okay. So what is the difference? Real before one after. Industry as like roof repair. Before generic headline, professional roofing services, affordable and reliable company. In here, matrices as like CTR 3.4%, CPC 9 into $10, $9.10, CPR 5.2%. And after it structure the formula as like roof leak clear, same day fix, license and injured. The matrices change CTR 3.4% to increase 5.8% as like 70% increase, and CPC 9 $9 to decrease 7.60 as like our CPC cost decrease minus 16%, and also our CBR 5.2% to 8.1% increase, 50% 55% increase CPR. So what is the common? So what is the common mistake? Our common mistake is keyword not fast and a generic benefit as like best service. It's not allowed. No proof, too many words, no numbers, overstuffed headline, all caps spam, no testing variation. Okay. So here is some pro using formula for everyone. Keep it under 30 characters per headline or split across multiple headlines in RSA. And priorities, keyword first, ensure add relevance. And also add numeric proof, 5-star, 15 plus year, 2000 plus clients. Benefit should be specific. Don't say best service. Say same day service, flat rate pricing, etc. And test multiple combinators, keyword plus benefit, keyword plus proof, proof plus benefit, keyword plus as like different way. Proof banana keyword plus proof plus benefit. And use location modifiers when relevant, Houston, New York, etc. And also combined with CTA in other headlines or destination call now book today. Okay. So the advanced scaling inside in complete options, even 1% CTR increased can improve expected CTR, improve quality score, lower CPC by 5 to 15%, and increase impression share, also improve top of page rate. At scale, this creates a major cost advantages. Headline optimization is not cosmetic, it's cost control engineering. So the final strategy summary is keyword captures attention, benefit creates motivation, and proof builds trust. Together they influence CTR quality scores, CPC conversion rate, CPA, scalability. So Google's success is not just about targeting or bidding. Often the biggest performance improvements come from small structural change in words. The keyword, the keyword plus benefit plus proof headline formula improved relevance, motivation, and trust all in one line. And when those their relevance align, you improve CTR quality score and conversion performance at the same time. If you found this useful, subscribe for more advanced goal strategy and campaign optimization tutorials. And if you have questions about headline testing or error optimization, drop them in the comments. See you in the next video.